Hugo Valentine Jr. and my name is Hugo Valentine Jr. Oh, wait, what? Oh, we're gonna be unboxing a car from Cars again. Cars, yeah. There's a lot of other cars in the back here. Patrol cars, other race cars, you know, yeah. So, it says Piston Cup. That's basically the, series. That's the series it's in, and, his name is Charlie Checker. It's 12, 18, 3 plus, Mattel. And, it says Disney Pixar cars on the back. Shows all the other cars from the Piston Cup series, right? Yeah. Shows this. Says 0 to 3 cannot play with this. And made by Mattel again, says there. It shows a picture of him in the real animation. So, let's unbox him. So, happened.
You know, my phone with the box. This was coming to you after the video's over.
You hear the cops? Police.
Oh, I thought it was the sound from the car coming.
So, he's very thin. But he's a car, so. The Piston Cup, it says on the side of it. Official pace car. Has sirens on the top. Yellow sirens. It's not a cop, so. It's like a. It looks. It's like a patrol car that is.
Well, the pace car. The pace car is the car that comes out, and when all the cars are gonna race, it's basically in front of all the cars, and then it basically drives in front of the race cars, and then it gets out of the way so that way everybody can start driving fast. So that's basically what the pace car is. Now, if I'm wrong, leave a comment down below. But I believe I'm right.
So this is the back.
Let me see what it says. Hold on, it's not focused. It's not focusing. Come on, yes, official pace car. Turn it around. Official pace car.
He looks angry but happy.
Let me see the top of it. Yeah, now you can see the Piston Cup and the feature lights. You see the bottom?
No, I don't.
Nothing, of course. All right, now I'm at the bottom.
Wheels. The wheels look good.
Yeah.
So this is, I forgot his name already. Don't tell me. I know. Charlie Checker. Charlie Checker. This is Charlie Checker.
They have too many characters.
Just characters that they just make out of anything, and then. They just make it out of anything, and then they never appear again.
Yeah, because they were always in the first movie, and then they just never made toys out of it. But then after a while, they ran out of toys to make, so they just made that one. But it's cool. At least I have it, you know.
I'm crushing it. So this is $4, and it looks very cool. It looks flat. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of Charlie Checker, the official pace car. Like, subscribe, and comment for more unboxings like these of cards. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.